Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to make another video presentation, which is almost the same as my last video. So this is about draft limits due to depths of water in ports. So this time, uh, I'll show you the problem. This time, it says here it's a Panamax vessel is going to load in we're going to load in China in King Guangdao, China for Constanta. I think this is somewhere in Europe, and the maximum draft discharge of Constanta is 12.50 meters in a density of 1.016. So this will be the departure draft at China FO 1351 DO 79 LO 28, drinking water 133, freshwater tank for starboard 233, and constant 212. And the distance from China to Constanta is 8,793 nautical miles, and the charter speed is 40 knots. And these are the following consumptions per day: FO 28 metric tons, DO 1 tons per day, and freshwater 6 tons per day. And the question is the ship's displacement and maximum amount of cargo she can load. So what will be the maximum cargo to load and the ship's displacement of our departure or arrival in Constanta? And the second question is her departure draft in salt water. So what will be our departure draft in salt water in China? And also, what is the departure draft if the ship loads in a density 1.020? Okay. So with this ROV, okay, I'll show you this one, guys. This one. So this is the ROVs we're going to fill up. Okay. So I already fill it up with this one. Okay. So with this ROV, I already place it here. Okay. And the consumption per day is 28, 1, and 6. I have here 28 for FO, 1 ton for DO, and freshwater is 6 tons. And to compute the number of steaming time or number of days, I also made it a plan here. So this is the ROV from China. FO is 13351, DO is 79, LO is 28, freshwater is 233, drinking water is 133, constant is 212. So total ROV departure in China is 2,036. And the consumption per day in FO is 28, DO is 1 ton, and freshwater 6 tons. Now the distance from China to Constanta is 8793, 8793, 793, and the charter speed is 40 knots. 8793, and the charter speed is 40 knots. So with the distance of 8793 divided with the charter speed of 14, you will get 28.07 hours, total hours steaming. So with this 28 628.07 hours divided by 24, then you will have 26.17 days of steaming. So 26.17 days of steaming, you put it here, which is 26.2, 26.2, and 26.2. So your consumption of fuel oil of 28 times your steaming time, which is this one, and your voyage consumption will be for FO is 73.6, which is this one, and for the diesel oil is 26.2, this one, and for fresh water is 157.2, total of 19.17 and 19.7. So it is confirmed. Okay. Okay. Then we go to the problem. Okay. Now, what is the displacement of 12.5 of density of 1.016? Okay, what is the displacement? So from here, the the density is 1.016 and drop arrival is 12.50, forward and up is 12.50. Okay, what will be his displacement of uh, brackish water of 1.016? His displacement is 73.09945. This is this one. Okay. Okay. Then what will be his displacement if in salt water? Okay. Salt water, what will be his displacement in salt water? So you put here 1.025. I'm sorry, 0.025, and the formula is tabulated displacement times 1.016 over your density, constant density of 1.025. So that will be 0.3099 times 1.016 over 1.025. Your freshwater the displacement should be 72457. 72457. Okay. Then we go to the program. So the program is the formula says H33, which is the displacement of the brackish water of 73099.46 times your local density of 1.016 over your constant of 1.025. That will be 72. The displacement will be saltwater displacement will be 72457. Okay, 72457. So saltwater displacement will be 72457. Okay. So with this displacement of saltwater, you this is arrival in Constanta. Excuse me. You add this total consumption of the entire voyage of 917.0. So you add this one 917. So your departure displacement, meaning you're going back to China, King Wandao. So your departure in King Wandao should be, the displacement should be 73374. Okay, 73374 minus your lightship of 9614. That will be your dead weight of 63760. So this dead weight, deduct it by your ROB of 2036, ROB in departure China, and your maximum cargo to load will be 61724. Okay. Now, the next question is, find her departure draft in salt water. So what will be your say sir? What will her find her departure draft in salt water? So what will be your departure draft in salt water? So this will be your departure draft in salt water is 12.44 meters in salt water. Okay, and then the next question is, if your water duct water density is 1.020 tons per cubic meter, what will be your drop displacement in brackish water, or your drop in brackish water? So with this formula, look up the departure displacement, which is this one, times your density 1.025 over 1.020. So meaning 7374 times your constant of 1.025 of salt water over your local density 1.020 is your displacement of brackish water of 732262. Okay, let's apply it to the program. So what that will be 12.44. Okay, that will be salt water. Okay, 1.025, and the drop in salt water will be 12.442 and 12.442. What will be this displacement in salt water is 73375, which is almost the same. 73374, and I have here in the program 7375. Okay, so almost the same. So we apply the what will be his displacement in brackish water, which will be 1.020, which is this one. What will be is displacement in brackish water of intensity 1.020. Okay, then we go to the program. So you click this one and you will see the formula. So H33, which is the displacement, displacement of 12, 1244, density of 1.025. That will be his displacement times 1.025, 1.025. Okay, so look at the formula, guys. Displacement of this 733,745 times 1.025 over 1.020. So look at the formula is this displacement times the constant of 1.025 over the local density of 1.020. Then you press enter. This will be the displacement 73735. Displacement is 73735. 73735. Okay, that will be the displacement. Okay, check 73735. Let's check the formula again. 73735. So it should be. Let me check again, guys. Okay, let's make this 1244. 12.44. 12.44. That will be your 67 and enter. Tama. Yes, that's it. And then waltz. That's it. So your displacement for brackish water is 73722. 73 73722. Okay, so and this corresponding drop of brackish water would be 12.5, which is this one, guys. 12.49, which is 12.5. Okay, this is what 12.5. So that's it, guys. So meaning when you depart China with a density of 1.020, this should be your departure drop or your mid drop. And when you arrive in constant when you arrive in Constanta, in Europe, your drop would be 12.5 meters in a density of 1.016. Okay? Your maximum cargo to load would be 61724 metric tons. So, the first step, I repeat, is with this arrival drop in Constanta of brackish water of 1.016, you convert this brackish water to salt water. So this is the formula. The displacement of 12.5 meters in brackish water is 73099, which is this one, times your local density over your constant of 1025. So you will have salt water dense displacement of 72457. Then from this salt water, you go back to China, meaning you add 917 72457, then your departure displacement in China should be 73374. Okay? From your departure displacement in China minus your light ship of 7614, you will get your dead weight, which is 63760. You deduct your remaining on board of 2036, then you have your maximum cargo of 61727. Now, according to your second problem, question says find her drop in salt water and what will be her drop or density or displacement in density of 1.020 if you depart in 1.020 density. Okay, so with this saltwater drop of 12.44, which is this displacement of 73374, you convert this to you convert this to brackish water. So with this formula, the departure displacement of 73374 times the constant of 1025 or the salt water over your local density 1.020, which is your departure in China, and the brackish displacement would be 73722.62, and your drop departure of brackish water in China will be 12.50. So that's it, guys. I hope you follow me up and understand what I've been excuse me explaining. If you have any questions or if you think something's wrong with this presentation, please comment below in the comment section and give your insights and opinion or opinion about this video, about this program or the procedure, so that I will know what is your feedback. And if you like this video, please click the like button, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Thank you guys and have a good day.